Hi guys, this is Madhu and I welcome you all back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you all my workout routine. I don't exactly work out every day rigorously, but now that I have left my job, I want myself to be a little more fit so that it makes me feel good about myself. I try to involve myself into various activities so that I keep myself busy. So I feel that this is one of the most important thing because working out every day helps me keep fit and it also helps me keeping busy. I kill some time and definitely I'm getting to a path of being more healthier. So this is what I wanted to share with you all, and there are a few basic exercises. I'm going to use these two dumbbells only, and I basically don't focus on any single part of the body. It's a complete body workout. I pick up few exercises every day and then do it. So I just request you to watch this complete video so that you come to know all the exercises. So let's just share with you all what exactly I do and just dig into the video now. I'm starting with warming up a little bit. Warming up is always good before starting any exercise. It helps to ease our muscles so that we don't feel any cramp or exertion on our muscles. Next, I am trying to do some dumbbell raises in the upward direction and in the front direction. This is going to help in your triceps and biceps. Next, I am doing walking lunges with dumbbells. This helps in improving your core stability and flexibility of your hips. So it's a very good exercise for your hips. Next, I'm going to do squats with dumbbells. I'm taking the dumbbells in the front. If you wish, you can take it on the sides. This exercise helps in both for your legs as well as your abs. So it helps in strengthening your legs, and additionally it also helps in beautifying your abs. So very good exercise. I'm also doing side hand raises. It helps in improving the strength of your shoulders. Next, I'm going to do planks and it helps in strengthening your cores again, and it is a good exercise to lose the overall body weight. One should do 6 to 10 sets of planks for around 15 seconds every day depending upon your capacity. Now I'm doing easier form of side planks with leg raises. I'm keeping my waist here on the ground. If you can do, you should definitely raise your waist as well. Similarly, I'm going on the other side, raising my legs and then going front with side planks. Next, I am doing hip bridge or butt bridge. It helps in strengthening the muscles of your butt and it gives a beautiful shape to your head. So it's very important part of your entire exercise. Next is half crunches. I'm doing at least 15 to 20 half crunches for in 6 to 7 sets every day. This was it for the workout session for today, and now to relax my muscles, I'm trying to touch my feet with my hands. This is a very good exercise which helps in relaxing all the muscles which are warmed up at this moment. Followed by the butterfly move wherein I am touching both my feet together, sitting in a relaxed position, and then trying to move my both the legs up and down. So this is a butterfly movement, very interesting exercise. Next, I am just sitting straight in a very relaxed position and closing my eyes and trying to be very relaxed and concentrated. Again, to end, just trying to keep my hands on my legs and head down. I am trying to touch my feet for a few seconds, and that's it for today, guys. So that was all, guys. That was it, and I just wanted to share with you all what I do. I hope you guys will like it. Don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button, and please subscribe on that red subscribe button. Till then, live crazy, be beautiful, and keep your environment clean. Bye bye.